Hello friends, welcome to Digital Inquiry. Hope everyone healthy and safe. Today in our channel we are going to talk about Star Super Supplex Float-on policy launched by Star Health Insurance. Why you have to buy the Star Super Surplex Float-on insurance policy? It is a top-up plan. You will get high coverage with less premium. Minimum 3 lakh base policy is required. If you are having it 1 lakh or 2 lakh base policy also you can take, but there is some certain conditions, and policy is based on defined limit. Sum insured and defined limit option. You can choose in this super supplex top up plan. The sum insured is 5 lakh to 25 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, and 15 lakh, 20 lakh, and 25 lakh sum insured you can choose. And defined limit you can choose 3 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees, and 10 lakh rupees. Please be careful. Once you choose the defined limit, it will not change during the policy period or on renewal. So before you choosing the defined limit, please be careful, and you have to choose your defined limit according to your base policy sum insured. So let me check what is this defined limit in the next slide. So let me go with one example. A person buying a super surplex float-on sum insured policy of 15 lakh rupees and defined limit is 3 lakh rupees. Okay, so let us keep one example and I will explain you. So the first claim in a year the first claim touches he has to pay is 2,75,000. The 2,75,000, it is completely taken from the base policy, not from the super surplex policy, because the super surplex policy, the person chosen the defined limit is 3 lakh rupees. So when the claim is crosses the 3 lakh rupees, then only the super surplex policy will start to work. So the first claim, the person got 2,75,000. The 2,75,000 complete amount is recovered from the base policy, not from the super surplex policy. So the balance of the super surplex policy remains 15 lakh rupees. And the second claim in a year, a person claimed the hospital bill got 3,50,000 rupees. Then now the remaining of 3 lakh rupees, 25,000 has been recovered from the base policy, and the pending amount of 3,25,000 will be paid from the super surplex policy, because the defined limit of 3 lakh rupees is crossed from the base policy. When the defined limit of 3 lakh crossed from the base policy, the super surplex policy will start to work. So this is what the defined limit. So when you are choosing defined limit 3 lakh, 5 lakh or 10 lakh, please choose according to your base policy. Okay, so the super supplex policy is paid 3,25,000. The remaining amount from the super supplex policy is 11,75,000. And in the same year, again the third claim is payable for 3,75,000. Now base policy will not covered, and automatically it will taken from the super surplex policy. So remaining of balance is 5 lakh rupees. And fourth claim in a year, hospital bill cost is 4,50,000. Again it will directly taken from the super surplex policy, because the defined limit is already closed to 3 lakh above. So the finally the super surplex policy balance is 50,000 rupees. Now the fifth claim in a year, 1,25,000. In this 1,25,000, 50,000 will be payable, and remaining 75,000 will be taken from the base policy. So now, and the balance of the sum insured super supplex policies become zero. So the remaining, if you have any sixth or seventh claim, then it will automatically capture from the base policy. It is depends upon the sum insured what you chosen. If you have a balance, you have to utilize from the base policy. If you are already utilized the complete base policy, then you have to pay from your pocket. So up to the 15 lakh. Not only the 15 lakh, you can choose up to 25 lakh. So you can choose any amount in a year. You can utilize this entire claim amount you can pay in a year. So now you understand how this super policy is benefited. So the premium also compared to the base policy, if you are 5 lakh rupees, if you are choosing a sum insured in the base policy, almost you could pay 10,000 or 15,000, whatever according to where you are paying the premium. But in this policy, if you are choosing a 15 lakh sum insured, almost you have to pay approximately, I am just telling you, 3,000 or 4,000 or 5,000. That is the amount you have to pay for the entire 15 lakh rupees. So compared to the 5 lakh and 15 lakh, you will get very less premium. And next, who all can eligible when a policy, if you are purchasing, if you are having a base policy, who all eligible? If you're having a base policy from the Star Health Insurance, you can buy this policy. If you're having a base policy from any other health insurance also, you can buy this Star Health Super Supplex policy, that is a top-up plan. And if you're having a corporate group insurance from your company, if the organization is provided, then also you can purchase this policy, this Super Supplex policy you can purchase. And eligibility is adult 18 years to 65 years, anybody can take this policy, and dependent children's 91 days to 25 years can include in this policy. Individual float on both the options available, and up to 3 children can be covered in a single policy. Maximum 5% in a family is accepted in this policy. No medical test is required till 65 years. And other benefits are like a threshold limit is defined limit compared against cumulative claims. That is, it is not a single claim. The defined limit is not a single claim. You can do 9 number of times. After that only it will cover. If first claim 1 lakh, second claim 2 lakh, and third claim comes to 3 lakh, then automatically it will take the total amount. So according to this total amount, the defined limit, the super surplus policy will be start to work. And ambulance charges up to 3,000 per hospitalization, and air ambulance is 10% of your sum insured, but you have to choose the super supplex policy of 10 lakh and above sum insured. Not on the base policy also, you have to choose the 10 lakh and above sum insured. And pre-hospitalization expenses is 60 days and post-hospitalization is 90 days. All the expenses you can reimburse in this policy. And organization donor expenses up to sum insured. And recharge benefit also applicable in this policy. And if you are choosing the 3 lakh defined limit, you will get additional 50k in this policy. And if you are choosing 5 lakh rupees defined limit, you will get 75k. If you are choosing 10 lakh rupees defined limit, you will get 1 lakh rupees. For these recharge benefit, this additional benefit, you don't need to pay any extra premium. PED waiting period. 12 months is the PED waiting period, and waiting period for specific disease also 12 months. And delivery expenses also covered under this policy with waiting period of 12 months, and up to 50,000 you can claim for the maximum of 2 deliveries. And option to migrate to regular insurance. Yes, this is very good advantage. If you are taking a super supplex, if you are having a company group policy and you are taken this top up plan from the Star Health Insurance, when you resign from one company to another client, then your super supplex policy can be converted as a normal health insurance. That means there is a one condition, you have to take this continuously renewal 5 years. The continuous renewal 5 years, if you are done, then immediately this policy, if you are interested, you can convert as a regular health insurance policy also. That option is also available in this policy. And hospitalization cover, that means professional fees, medical service, and drugs and medicines. All the professional fees, everything is covered under this policy. And hospitalization minimum is 24 hours required, and cashless and reimbursement, you can choose any option and you can utilize this policy. And room rent, up to single standard AC room, you can choose the room rent. And premium depends upon your age and the family size. So WhatsApp me for your premium if you require for this super supplex product. If you want premium, please WhatsApp me 944932724. So or else you can comment on the below video also. I will help you to provide you the premium. So please note, when compared to your regular health insurance policy, this super supplex policy premium is always less. And tax benefit, you will get under section 80D the tax benefit also under this, what are the premium you are paying. And waiting period and exclusions. First 30 days no illness will be covered, it is a waiting period, and accident will cover from the day one. In this policy, it is normal on the base policy, it is covered. And for the first 12 months, there will be certain disease will be waiting period, and pre-existing disease, if you have anything, that also waiting period of 12 months. And there are some permanent exclusions also, they are never covered under this policy. And why Star Health Insurance? Why you have to choose the Star Health Insurance? Star Health Insurance is an in-house claim settlement. It is a faster claim settlement also. And 9,800 plus network hospitals tie-up, and 24/7 toll-free helpline number to inquire about your queries. And free teleconsultation facilities also available in this Star Health Insurance. Thank you for watching video. If this video is really benefited to you, please click on like button and share to your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates about the health, life insurance, and other financial informations. Meet you in next video. Till that, stay healthy.